Hello, today I'm going to be fixing some frozen collard greens. First, I'm boiling my water. Then I'm gonna add my smoked turkey leg in there. I'm just gonna add it in there and let it cook. Then I'm gonna add my greens in there, my frozen bag of greens. These was frozen, I just let them thaw out. After that, cut me some onions up in there. We like a lot of onions. I use the whole onion. You don't have to. It's just we like a lot of onion. And then I'm just going to let this cook. I'll be back. Also, to go with those greens over there, I'm going to fix me a little pot roast. A little chuck shoulder roast that I caught on sale. So, first things first, I'm going to rinse my meat off. I'm going to cut a little slits in them, just so the seasoning can go all through the meat. On both sides. Just gonna put it in there. Cut me an onion up. I want these onions kind of thick. That piece on there. Get it up off of there. Okay. Then I'm going to add some baby carrots on in the pot. I already rinsed them. I'm not going to add any potatoes because we're going to have mashed potatoes with them. Okay. Use some onion soup mix. This here is just some melted butter with some garlic inside of it. And some parsley flakes. I'm just going to pour it on top. And then this I got from Food Lion. I said I'm going to try it out. It's for a one pot meal. Hearty beef sauce. So we're going to see how that tastes. Then I'm just going to put the top on it. Turn it on high heat for 4 hours. And I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to make some oven roasted potatoes. First, that's my oven. I'm preheating to 375. First, I already washed and cut up my potatoes. Now I'm going to add some frozen peppers and onions in there. Okay. Then I'm going to add some polio in there. I don't measure. I just eyeball. A little polio. Then I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add some pepper. Then I'm going to add some garlic pepper. Garlic and pepper. Sorry about that. Then I'm going to add some seasoned salt. Okay. And then okay. I was going to add some parsley, but oh, yeah, some parsley. I found it. Some parsley. Then I'm just going to, just some melted butter, I'm just going to pour on top. Just going to go on with my clean hand and mix it all up. I'm just going to mix it all together. Okay, I have my greased dish here with some butter. And I mixed my stuff together here. So now I'm just going to add them in the pan. Add them in the bowl. Then I'm just going to add a little chicken broth into the bowl that I had this stuff in, the potatoes in. Just going to mix it up and get that butter out the bottom of it and all them seasonings. That's it. And I'm just going to pour it over the potatoes. Put little pieces of butter on top here. There we go. Cover up with some aluminum foil. Them greens got this house smelling so good. Like I'm cooking a big old meal. We're going to take a peek on them in a minute after I put these potatoes in the oven. Peek on these greens. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the oven and let it rip for an hour. Okay, we're going to take a peek at these greens right now and see what they're doing. It's like an hour later. Cooking on up. Looking good, smelling good. Got the kitchen smelling like I'm cooking a feast. And it's not happening like that. Not today anyway.
You put some of that, this way?
Yeah. Okay, we're about to check these greens out. They've been cooking for 2 hours. So let's check them out. The water soaking down. Smoked turkey leg all tender. Oh, look at that turkey leg. Just fell off the bone. That's what I'm talking about. The gristle. Oh, Lord, have mercy. This going to be some good eating right here. Oh, yes it is. This turkey leg coming about here. Then I'm just gonna stir it up in there. Season it up. Put some pepper. Onion powder. Seasoned salt. A little accent salt. Do a little taste test. Don't want to stay on the floor. Give me some of that onion because I love onions. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Don't need to add nothing there. Hey, babe, come taste these greens.
Alright.
Not on my watch.
Yeah.
Do I need to add anything?
Nobody give me that fork back.
All right.
Why you took that out?
Because it's finished. I took the meats off of it. You want that?
You know?
Okay, that's it. The
Okay.
finished product.
Alright.
Okay, I just pulled the potatoes out the oven, and then we're about to see what they're looking like. Whew. Just stirring them up a little bit. I'm just gonna see if I got enough seasoning on it. We shall see. Yeah, tastes good to me. Perfect. I don't need to add anything. Well, there's the results of the potatoes. Right out the oven. Okay, the roast has been okay, they already ate off the roast, but this is what left. So I'm gonna show you how tender it is. Got my little thickness of my little juice here. The little gravy, little thickness of the gravy. My carrots. The fork will go right through it. Just like that. Easy peasy. Tender. I haven't tasted, so let me taste it. I want these onions. And that gravy. Let me see. Let me see. It's good. Don't need to add nothing to it. It's real good. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.